Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I'm finally gonna go drop off my car to get wrapped, and I got the roller wrap right here. It has been inside of my house so that the heat in the garage just doesn't like mess it up or anything. Your guess is now, what color do you think is in this box? It's easier than you think. Some of you guys are gonna be like, really? She really did all that for that? But it had to be done. So if you guys are thinking about wrapping your car, make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave their Instagram up above and down below and all of their information. And we're gonna take the FRS to Reborn Wrap Designs and get her all wrapped up. So excited. I drilled the holes for the wing and I did not finish the bumper in time, but I'm just gonna drop it off maybe tomorrow. I have a lot of the stuff off already for him so it's easier. I already know it's gonna look so good, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna be adding little time lapses. I'm gonna ask if he can record. I could put it in for you guys, hopefully. I'm excited for all the new things I'm gonna get. Like my wing is gonna go on. I need to put on my wheels. I'm not gonna put on the wheels until after because I have to install my control arms, and then I have my headlights coming back, and then I have my new lip going on with it as well. Oh, that reminds me, I have to put that inside the car actually. I'm not bringing my wing because I actually think I need to sand it, so I might have to pay another little trip tomorrow, and I'll show you guys if there's any progress tomorrow. Let's go head to Aaron and drop it off so he can get the FRS right, looking better. It has been looking crusty the past couple days. About to get blessed again. She's about to get her pizzazz back. I don't even know like how long I want to keep this or what color it is going on because it's pretty funny, but when you guys see it, you guys are gonna be like, I should have known. Low-key, I think I left my hood open. It is not latched on, or it's not fully locked right now. Thankfully, I'm not on the freeway anymore. I think I'll make it, but yeah. We just got to drop off my car. Now it's gonna be gone for a week. Here's the final look around of the car. There's kind of some adhesive on it, but he said it should be fine to take it off. I just came to drop off the wing and my bumper and see the update. We finally got the car back. I'm about to show you guys the color and you're gonna be so mad at me because I may or may not have done the exact same color. I have been April fooling you guys. Here it is, back in her glory. I don't know, anyone that said any other color, y'all don't know me, but I did say I was giving hints that it's the same color in all my videos if you guys caught on. And now we got the FRS with the M3. Now they look good together.
SpongeBob and Patrick car, guys.
Yeah, now we're officially SpongeBob and Patrick together. So it is the same color, and I just can't do anything else other than pink. Did you think it would be another color?
I knew you were gonna do pink, but it made such a big change. You guys don't understand throughout time, like the wrap dulls out and it's just so bright and it looks like a brand new car.
I think I had my wrap for like 2 years and it makes such a difference being re-wrapped. So technically it is like a new wrap. It did not look like this before. Newest things that I got is obviously the wing. I did give a sneak peek of it in the unwrapping video, whoever saw that. It looks so good matched. What do you rate the wing? Or do you like my other wing better?
This one's way more aggressive. The way it flows with the stock body lines, it just gives it...
Right? This wing, this is the wing I waited months for. It almost feels like I waited a year. There was just a lot of problems with the shipping because it was coming from Japan, obviously. But it finally got here.
You could eat in and out on the wing now.
It might slide, but... So we're all beachy right now because we're heading to the beach right after this.
Look at the angles here, the way it just flows. Makes such a big difference on the car.
I was like debating if it was gonna look good on a stock body, but it flows. It really flows. And that's the one I got from Mastermind. I'm making a whole video on it if you guys want to see more in depth, like unboxing and stuff. That's from Mastermind. I believe they have it in stock, so you will not have to wait like I did. Finally have my VLANs back. I gave them to Lonzo to work on them to like make them the custom little bar just in time for the car being done. And they look so good. I have to put little clips of how they look at night. My headlights and my tail lights so I can control, but obviously the star of the show is the headlights right now. So then down here I go to headlights and I could like basically, well, right now it's dark, This is obviously my favorite mode, the Dazzle rainbow, the classic rainbow. Let's do our rates, like on the wrap job. 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
12 out of 10. I say 10 out of 10. Perfect job. The guy killed it with the wrap.
We inspected the whole car and that thing is so good. If you're looking for a wrap job, hit up Reborn Wrap Designs. If you're looking for any wrap material, Wraptastic Vinyl. I'll leave all their stuff below. That's where I got my wrap from. And then I got it installed. It looks so good. All the corners are perfectly tucked in. Nothing is lifting. It looks good. It looks beautiful.
Look at this, guys. 326 wing.
Amazing. It looks amazing.
What else do you guys think Alex should do on this car? Comment down below what you guys think. New wheels are still coming for her car.
Look out for that. Install the control arms. Look at our Cane's cup that we got.
Matches the car perfectly.
Look at that. This
Oh,
was
put it on the wing?
The Post Malone. Ew, should I take off the cap?
No?
It's all bitten. I was biting it. I was like...
This is a rat. Shout out Kane's Post Malone. You guys have this cup. Tag Alex on Instagram. It's the same color.
Ish.
Ish.
In the sun, this one looks a little darker, but...
Love the wing. I can't get over it.
I know. I think it's like my favorite part of the whole car.
Cars coming together. Looks perfect and beautiful like her.
This guy really exposed me on Instagram.
Look at this. Look at that angle.
I actually just messed up my grill. The day I got the car back, I put the grill back and then I ran it over on the freeway. So we're ordering a new one. It's like my 4th grill already.
These are like a monthly subscription.